Balik sa
Okay.
Ala?
Pagwapa, hambal ko magpagwapa kay para di ta ma-stress ng tanaw. Sige, okay na. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, I would like to welcome those who are newly comers or first time lang gid maka-attend sa atong klase. Okay. Sa subong nga hapon, so we will be having our rhythmic activities. So, last meeting, ang klase natin is about notation. So, notes in the GCLEF staff. So we have EGBDF and FACA. So para makapadayon ta sa atong klase, no, we will have rhythmic activities para ma-connect natin siya sa ato annotation. Okay, let's start. Time signature. Kita lang? Kita lang?
Yes, sir.
Sige. Thank you. Atong mga hindi kakita, reklamo lang gid ha. Makita mo ang time signature sa staff. Okay. So, muna ang time signature. The number above, kaning number, represents beats per minute, per measure, or counts per measure. Ako yung tawagan. Excuse lang, kadali lang gid ha.
Sana all ka pala pamilya.
Hi. Ikaw lang yung OJ.
Art wala yan.
Tapos si si Sir
Pala pamilya ka mo?
Wala, Hi sa background. Nice.
Sana all na namin ang background.
Laway? Gaga. Gregara, sarap dyan. Napasabot yan, yung buong tanan-tamal. Mas na buong tanan.
Ara ni si sir. Musta ang la pamilya?
Kita nyo?
Amin mo, balik ka sa dason. Char. Sir, hindi ka batian, sir?
Gali. Oh, ara kabati na.
Okay na, sir. Okay na.
Sige, very good na kami. Sige. Okay. When we say time signature, it is a number found at the beginning of the staff. Okay? So, diri siya nakasulat. Duha ka bilog number. Ang number above represents beats per measure or counts per measure. Naiga-go. Pwede ka, pamute na sa inyong microphone. Sige, let's continue. So number above represents beats per measure or counts per measure. Okay. Aton i-reason na ni Anay. Example. Before we're going to proceed to our time signature, let's have the types of notes para mas maintindihan. This one is whole note. Diba? This one is half note. This one is quarter note. And this one is eighth note. Okay? So, ara na. Whole note has 4 counts. Half note, 2 counts. Quarter note, 1 count. Eighth note is 1/2 count. Okay? Sige. Let's continue. 4/4 times signature. 4 above represents 4 counts or 4 beats. Okay. Paano ta makahambal na 4 counts or 4 beats siya? Okay? That is in a measure. So palibat, ano nang ginatawag na measure? Amo na siya. Example, 4, 4. Note, ang taas nga linya nga divide sa isa ka group or ka count, amo na siya ginatawag na bar line. Okay, this is what we call bar line. In between nilang duha, okay, ang space nga in between nilang duha is what we call measure. Okay, so ara siya nakasulod ang note sa in between duha ka bar line, or we call it measure. So next is we have, okay, pag matapos na siya ang 4 counts, okay, so since this is 1, 2, 3, 4 counts, sumabutang ka naman bar line. Next, masulat ka og 4 counts, 1, 2, is 1, 2. So total of 4 counts. Mabutang ka naman bar line. Quarter note. Then mabutang ka naman isa ka bar line. Okay. So let's go back. The number 4 above, or the number in the time signature, is represents number of counts in a measure. So kung 4 ang nakabutang sa babaw, it means there are 4 counts or 4 beats in measure. Okay. So example, 4/4 time signature. 4/4 not 4/4. So we have whole note. Since whole note has 4 counts, so we are going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. Then half note we have 1, 2. Half note we have 1, 2, and then for quarter note we have 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Question? Walay question. So let's have example, rhythmic example number 1. 4/4. So we have okay. Everybody, I want to unpin. Okay, I want to see you. Let's clap together. So amo na siya oh. Ang whole note 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang half note 1, 2, 1, 2. Dali lang. Gaiko sa. Sino bit? Pwede i-mute na inyo ang kuan. Junalin mi des.
Na lang, sir.
Okay na day. Thank you. Okay. Let's go back. Whole note, 4 counts. Count ka 1, 2, 3, 4. Pero 1 clap lang na ha. 1 clap. Okay. 2 counts. Half note, 2 counts. 1 clap man. Another 1 clap. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 clap. Then clap. And then maklap man ka. Okay. One, two, then 1, 2. Okay. So let's start. Example, ang whole note is isa ka clap. Tapos you count 1, 2, 3, 4. When you count, it is constant beat. Meaning, dili siya pwede nga 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Parehas ba ang beat sa imong heart? Padayon lang na siya. Kung dasig, dasig lang na tanan. Kung slow man na siya tanan. Okay? So, ang imong nga beat mo follow until the last note sa imong musical or music sheet. Okay? Mo follow siya ang imuhang constant beat until sa last. So, example number 1. So, this is example number 1. So, we have 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? I want to see everyone. Please turn on your video. Sige, please turn on your video. Wala sila, wala. Hello, please turn on your video. I want to see you. Please, let's clap this one together. Everybody, let's clap this one together. Wala yun sila. Apa ba ko signal? Ah, pare lang sila.
Kaon kami, sir.
Nagkaon ka, magkapanyaga pagali. Sige, sige, sige. Those who are eating, just continue. Okay, sige, sige. Ara na. Sige, let's do it together. Ready? Example number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, everybody. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Okay na? Okay, let's have example number 2. Okay, ready? So this one, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. One more time. Ready? Okay, ready? 3, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. One more time. 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, together, everybody, ready? 3, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. O, sige, sige. Kenlen Ponsibi, ikaw bi anay day. 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Sige, mute bi anay day. Sige, let's have Priscilla.
Start
Sige,
na, sir.
Priscilla. Oh, yes.
Sir. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,
Oops,
2,
sala,
1,
sala.
2.
Sala, ha? Ang 1, 2, 3, 4, isa lang ka-clap. Isa lang ka-clap, ha? Isa lang ka, ang gihimo nimo is 1, 2, dayon 3, 4. Okay, isa lang gid ka-clap ang whole note. Siliwat. One more time, Priscilla. 3, go.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Very good. O, sige, Junalyn. Junalyn.
Yes, sir.
O, sige, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oops. Junalyn, kana imong half note, dapat isa ka clap. Dua ka counts. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2.
Correct. That's it. Okay, let's have Evelyn. Evelyn. Lirasan. Oh, nakamute ka, Anay, dahil. Sige, unmute, Anay. Sige, unmute, Anay. Evelyn. Evelyn. Nakamute ka. Sige, be. I-on, Anay, mo microphone. Sige, sige. Nagka-problema si Evelyn. Let's have Dexter. Sige, Dexter.
Keren, sir.
Sige. Ade.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Dapat smooth ang rhythm ha. Diretso-diretso lang. Okay na siya. Gamay na lang na practice. Ima Gonzalez. Ima. Erna, dali. Erna, sorry. Erna, sige. Erna, sorry.
Okay. 1, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay na ha. Pero hindi magdalian ng 1, 2, 3, 4 ha. Hindi gid sigon. Sige. Bilyo. Michael. Nakamute ka, Dodong. Michael, nakamute ka. Sige, go.
Tao lang, sir.
Go. Kita lang.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Correct. Okay? Okay, let's have, this is actually exercises number 2. Sulat lang mo kung may time ha. Please sulat kung may time. Okay, let's have exercises number 3 and 4. Okay, so we have exercises number 3 and 4. Okay, so diri lang ko hasta kay mag-prepare na ko for judging. So ang imo ninyo, you need to video yourself. You need to clap 1, exercises number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dayong isend din nyo sa akon subong. Ha? Again, i-clap ninyo ang exercises 1, 2, 3, 4. Dayon isend din nyo ang video sa akon subong. Subong gid. May time pa man kamo, ha? Okay? So, let's have a screenshot. Mag-screenshot ka mo isa-isa para isend din nyo sa group chat para may picture ka mo isa-isa, ha? Kaya kung ako lang, budlagid kayo, dili makumpleto tanan. Let's have screenshot. Turn on your camera, everybody. Turn on your camera. Sino pa wala dire? Si Edsel. 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 Paki-turn on sa imo camera, Edsel. Ano gani? Ara na ko. Sige, Edsel. Turn on your camera. Smile. Smile. One more time. Sige pa. Let's smile, everyone. Okay. I hope you've learned something this afternoon. If na ako'y time, I will make a video and then I will send it to you para mas klaro ato ang lesson. Thank you for coming or thank you for joining our class. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.